Thanks for staying with us here on Channel 5 News. It's 12:25. The rain has left the state of Texas, and slowly but surely we're seeing those clouds break up. You can see how the gaps are opening up, and you can see how that clearing line is getting closer to us too. In fact, we're already seeing the clouds break up a little bit near the coast, so I do think that will continue as we go through the afternoon. And no rain to worry about, despite the clouds kind of looks like it might start raining anytime, but no, we're the rain well off to our east. Unfortunately, a flash flood threat for parts of Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. Notice that heavier rain starting to come in to an area that certainly doesn't want any more rain after Michael. It won't be nearly as bad, but any more heavy rain at this point could lead to flooding because the ground's still very wet out there. And one of the reasons why we're going to see the clouds continue to break up is there's lots of dry air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. You know, you just go a couple thousand feet up and there's lots of dry air and there's not much cloud cover. It's very low-level clouds that are just stuck right near the surface. But as we continue to warm this afternoon, I think this drier air will continue to work down and help to break up those clouds. So let's go to your hour-by-hour forecast, and I think 2-3 o'clock is when most of us will be seeing those partly cloudy skies across the valley. We got a couple more hours to go with the thick cloud cover, but then it might start to break up pretty quickly as we get into the afternoon hours. And notice mostly clear skies into the evening, but it's going to be a temporary clearing. I actually think already by late tonight the clouds may start to come back a little bit, and I think we're also going to be dealing with some fog tomorrow morning. Now, I don't think it's going to be a widespread dense fog, but it could be dense in a few spots. That's what we'll have to watch out for. And that's the only thing that I would think would slow down the morning drive tomorrow, because it looks like we'll be dry. And I think we'll be dry around lunchtime tomorrow. And tomorrow will be a day with partly to mostly cloudy skies, kind of variable cloud cover. I don't think there'll be a lot of bright sunshine. And there is a rain chance tomorrow, but according to this model, there's not going to be much. And a lot of the models are not super impressed with it. I think the rain chance is actually going to start in the late afternoon. However, there is an opportunity for a few showers during high school football time. But notice, the best chance of rain is probably going to be to our south and west. So if we're going to see rain here in the valley, it's more likely to be in southern Hidalgo County, southern Starr County. That'd be my best guess at this point. And the lower valley probably staying largely dry. And that chance of rain is for late afternoon through the evening hours tomorrow. We'll keep an eye on it and monitor it, but maybe in Hidalgo and Starr County might, if you want to stay really safe, have an umbrella. But keep in mind, though, that if you do see rain, it's going to be very light, pretty unimpressive rain overall. No rain today. The clouds will continue to break up, and I think we'll have mostly sunny skies right around sunset. 79 is going to be the high temperature today. Winds still pretty light, 5 to 10 miles per hour, with mostly clear skies tonight and light winds, just enough humidity around. I think there'll be some patchy fog that'll form very late tonight, but most of the night mostly clear and temperatures reaching around 63 degrees. A small chance of rain, about 10% chance for tomorrow, most of us staying dry. And then the weekend looking great. Lots of sun, low humidity too. That's why it's going to start in the low 60s, mid 80s in the afternoon. Mid 80s is normal for this time of year, by the way. And then Halloween, a small chance of rain during the afternoon, but Halloween night is looking dry. It is going to be a little bit more humid and breezy though. Dina?